The color yellow and orange makes me so happy, and fall is in the season, so today I'm going to make butternut squash salad, incorporating some greens and nuts and hemp seed, which is filled with protein. So let's get started. Welcome to Shine with Shobs. This channel is all about inspiring one another and building each other up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe for more new videos on staying healthy and thinking healthy. So let's quickly look at the ingredients. I'll be using 2 pounds of butternut squash, chopped kale, lettuce, shredded carrot, and some purple cabbage. I'll be slicing 1 apple, olive oil, salt, black pepper, chili flakes, balsamic vinegar, agave syrup, hemp hearts, and pumpkin seeds. This might look like a lot of ingredients, but it's going to be super simple. You can find the full recipe in the description below. In a mixing bowl, add in the butternut squash cubes, 2 tablespoons full of olive oil. I'm using Pink Himalayan Rock Salt. You may add as per your taste. Along with this, I'm also adding crushed black pepper. Butternut squash is so good for you. It's packed with nutrients and minerals, rich in vitamin A, C, and E. Now drizzling a bit of agave syrup to kick in some sweetness to the savory flavor. Trust me, it's not going to be too sweet. It'll be perfect blend to the salt and black pepper. Make sure to mix everything really well. You may add jaggery powder or honey, but I'm keeping it vegan today. Now take out the baking tray, drizzle in some olive oil. Ready to have some fun? Spread the oil evenly until all the edges are covered really well. You may use a brush or simply use your hand. No matter what, don't forget to have some fun. Since I'm not using any foil, it's important to spread the oil evenly. Pour in the butternut squash. Make sure they are not stuck with each other. If you're looking to have a simple salad, this is a go-to recipe. Now let's pop it in the oven for 400 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Instead of making salad, it can be a great healthy addition to your baked recipe as well. It's 15 minutes now. Can't wait to see how it looks. It's nice, hot. I can already smell it. It looks great. Wow. Look at the color. Look at the texture. And look how gorgeous it already looks. See, it's not stuck to each other. Stir it and we are going to pop it in the oven for another 10 minutes. Since I like the extra crunch, I'm going to keep it for another 10 minutes. You may cut the time according to your liking. Wow, look how beautiful it turned out. Yum. Now let's make it fancy. Now assemble the greens in a desired platter. Make sure to wash the kale and lettuce before using it. Now arrange the sliced apples around. I'm so excited seeing this already, sharing this fall vibe with you all. Time to put in the baked butternut squash. I'm creating a plate like this. You may create however you wish to. Can't wait to dig in already. Protein is very essential in our diet, so I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon full of hemp seed hearts. This will enhance the flavor and also give us the protein that we are looking for in our diet. To add in some nuttiness, I'm going to be adding some sprouted pumpkin seeds. What a healthy salad to start your day with. This is nutritious and you should definitely try it and leave a comment below. And for the grand finale, I'm adding a dash of balsamic vinegar. This will give the tanginess and balance the sweet and savory flavor. How gorgeous this looks already. Happy to share this love with you all. Let me know if you try this delicious, nutritious recipe. See you all in my next video. As always, wear a smile and don't forget to shine with Shobs.